Hello friends, let's solve this question. Now a lot of people got this question wrong, so this is how they solved it. They said that minus 2 square is equals to 4, then multiplied by 2 times 2, which is 2 square, is equals to 4, then divided by 4, then multiplied by 10 divided by 5 is equals to 2. Alright, now 4 times 4 is equals to 16, divided by 4 times 2 is equals to 8. Then 16 divided by 8 is equals to 2. Now this is how they solved it, and this is absolutely wrong, completely wrong. So how do you solve it the right way? Let me show you. First of all, we're going to make use of PEMDAS. So we have PEMDAS. Now this P here stands for parentheses, E here stands for exponents like a raised to power n. This n here is the exponent. Now this m is the multiplication, d is division, a is addition, and s is equals to subtraction. Now these two operations here, multiplication and divisions, are of the same priority. So if you see them in a question, you are going to solve them from left to right as they appear. So because they have the same priority, anytime you come across them in a question, you solve them from left to right. If multiplication came first, you solve multiplication first. If division came first, you solve the division first before moving to the other one. Alright, so let's start. So first of all, let's attend to parentheses, because from here we have parentheses first. Now in this parentheses we have minus 2 square. Now I want to tell you that minus 2 square is not equals to minus 2 in parentheses square. Alright, minus 2 square, this is equals to minus 4, and this is equals to 4. Alright, so minus 4 is not equals to 4. This is where a lot of people makes mistake. So anytime you see minus 2 square, so this square now is attached to only these two. So minus 2 square is going to be equals to minus 4, then multiplied by 2 square is equals to 4. Now we are done with this parentheses. So you have divided by 4. Now this 4 is multiplying this parentheses, so we are going to write multiply by, now 10 divided by 5 is equals to 2. Alright, so remember I said that this multiplication and division are of the same priority. So if you come across them in a question, you solve them from left to right. Now solving this from left to right, we have minus 4 times 4 is equals to minus 16. Now minus 16 we have divided by 4 times 2. Now minus 16 divided by 4 is something as minus 16 over 4, which is equals to minus 4. Alright, so we now have minus 4 then times these 2 here. So minus 4 times 2 is equals to minus 8, and so minus 8 is the answer to this question. I want you to solve this question. Let me give you this as a practice question. I want you to solve it and tell me the answer on the comment section. I want you to solve this question. 2 square multiplied by minus 3 square, then divided by 2 multiplied by 10 divided by 2. So I want you to solve this question and then write the answer on the comment section. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to this channel for more videos. Enjoy the rest of your day.